kind of mimic if someone were on a tour during barrel tasting. Like we take them through the warehouse and we talk about that this is our bonded area, this is where we store our wine after it's been bottled, like we do our bottle aging in there. That's where the wine comes from, like directly to the consumer. That's where we store it.
So as you come into the cellar, you see our two main rows of tanks. We have a row that is mainly 1,300 gallon tanks, and then we have a row that's 3,300 gallon tanks. We have 25 tanks total inside, kind of split between those two rows. And then off to the right, you have 4 bays that house all of our barrels. We have just shy of 1,200 barrels in the cellar right now. And again, because we have an extensive barrel aging program, because we have kind of the infrastructure and the ability to do it, we are aging for sometimes 2 or even 3 years in barrel before we go to bottle, to again develop more structure and kind of give our wines that rounded feel that we want by the time that we're ready to release them. And the 4 bays are identical. We have them split up by mostly by vintage, so we have reds and whites aging in the same bay. But we have 3 bays that are the 3 most recent vintage, and then we have 1 bay that is all of our sparkling and our port wine. In an average year, we will bottle between 32 and 35,000 cases. And that is currently split up between about 58 labels. So 58 separate wines that we will bottle in an average year.